If you're in the market for buying and selling a home, hopefully you have something called a monthly home maintenance checklist. It can really help you out. And someone who knows a lot about that subject, our very familiar and favorite midday guest, Carol McClintock with FC Tucker MG Realtors. Here's a great list. Why is this list so important, Carol?
It is so important because we just don't think about doing pretty simple maintenance things that will extend the life of our appliances, extend the life of our homes, and really help prevent accidents that are going to cost a lot more if allowed to happen. Yeah.
One of the first things, of course, she says, check the furnace. Key, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of people don't think about checking their furnace filter. And we said this was monthly, but we like to do that, quarterly or twice a year. You really should have your furnace and air conditioning checked spring and fall.
And of course, as we see, checking the range hood, clear drains. If that happened to me, I don't know what I'd do.
Yeah.
But you need to look at it at least every month, huh?
Yeah. Well, you should that's something a plumber told me once, if you hear gurgle, that's not a good thing. So you can do that with vinegar and baking soda, or you can purchase one of the products that are sold, but don't use them together.
And the same thing about a garbage disposal.
Right.
Boy, that can really be a problem if you don't. How often do you think you should clean it?
I would say that should be cleaned probably at least once a quarter. And again, you can do that with baking soda and vinegar, and or you can run ice cubes in it. A lot of people do that.
Something to check around your sinks and drains, right?
Yeah. As we were talking before we came on, I have a plumber coming over today to check our water heaters and that stuff. And I'm going to, he's there. I'm going to have him check the toilets and make sure those rings are good and they're secure to the floor.
And of course, one of the worst things could happen to a family if you have a fire. They can be devastating. If you don't have a smoke detector, get one, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. And now you can get them that they last for 10 years, and you can put lithium batteries in them. So then you don't have to worry about, we used to say change them every fall and spring. When the time changed, you don't have to do that anymore. You can put in the longer.
In addition to checking the fire extinguishers, checking the outside, there's other little trips and tips that you should pay attention to.
Right. One of the things that we don't watch is that the ground settles around the foundation in our homes, and you need to walk around there, once a month or so, just to make sure that water isn't standing near your foundation, because it's going to go underneath your home.
Also, if you have an air conditioner, boy, treat it with reverence too.
Yeah, absolutely. So that gets back to having that checked fall and spring. Have a fall and spring maintenance.
Fall, still a wonderful time if you're looking for a home, or if you say you want to get your home ready. If you're trying to get your home ready, what's one or two best tips you can give someone?
Check out the front door, the front landscaping. That's first impression. So make sure that looks really good. Clean, and we are looking for homes. So if somebody wants to sell their home, now is the primo time to sell.
And for more, just go to Team McClintock, right?
Right, absolutely. Or contact us through Ask the Expert on WFIE.
Carol, as always, thanks for your expertise.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks for coming in. And folks, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Come on back tomorrow. I'll see you again on Midday with Mike.